Morning, Leos. Good morning. Did you sleep like a big boy in your pack and play in the tent? Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Yeah, what a good boy. You tried to sleep with Mommy in the sleeping bag, but that didn't work, did it? You move around too much, little squirmer. Little squirmer, you big boy. First camping trip, we're at Tangle Lakes. Leo is 19 weeks old, I think. Today is Saturday, September 15th. Thanks, Daddy. Hi, Monkey. You're such a good boy. Yeah. Yeah. Emmy's such a good girl. Hi, Emma. She hates us.